Today we're looking at these Dopp kits from dMadeBags. There are a lot of pouches and Dopp kits in the market. These are truly unique for two main reasons, I think. One is that these bags are designed and handmade by David, the owner of dMadeBags. Secondly, you can get these in a variety of color and fabric choices, both for the outside, the inside, the zipper pulls, and so forth. So David made available a huge range of usually VX or Cordura materials in many different colors, as you can see. So these are just some of the choices. Now, I like to arrange my items in pouches so that they can go into different bags. And I have quite a few of them. These are just some that I happen to grab that I'm in use. I probably have 4 times as many different pouches. So what make these great? Let me show you. First off, so this is a stand-up pouch by Pocket Up, another small outfit. These are made by a husband and wife pair out in California. This is my mobile office charging kit. So an Anker charger, not very big, and all the cables goes with it. So this thing I carry when I need to use my MacBook Pro on the go, and then these cables let me charge my phones and iPads and so forth. So let me just open this guy up. As you can see, everything fits in there with some room to spare. And you can see how this is a little bit nicer than this, because this is a loose pouch. This guy stands on his own and has a very distinct shape and size. So David used to make these in many different sizes, which to me, it's actually kind of hard for me to pick. Now he limits it down to basically just 2 sizes. This is the stubby version, which is shorter. The regular version is longer. I'm going to put the actual measurement on the screen, and then they are both 2-inch deep. And this is just a very nice size that work in almost all situations, as you can see. Next up, this is my, I call it the heavy duty battery pack. This guy is a pod from Prometheus Design Works in really cool pouch. And I'm using this pouch because my high capacity battery pack, it's kind of long, another Anker product. And then again, all the cables that goes with it. Now, so this is a long bag, but as you will see, this actually fits in there just. Right? And then again, cables. So another pouch for a high capacity battery for charging on the go. So you can imagine you can get these in different colors, and they'll all be color coded, and you know what's in each one of them. Next, this is a slightly different use case. I'm going to show you an optional accessories you can get. This is an insert for the pouch. Again, this is designed and made by David. When I first saw this, I was worried that this thing is going to be too thick and too stiff because it has 2 layers of materials. But actually, as you can see, it's literally just strong enough but light. So what you do is you put this guy inside the bag. So you put this inside the bag, you end up getting extra organization. So with the insert, what I can do is this. This is my micro med kit that I carry with me pretty much all the time because it has a lot of basic hygiene kind of items, wipes, pills, Q-tips, lip balm, and of course, duct tape. So this is a small pouch, as you can see, and all this stuff will go into here quite nicely. So I'm going to stand these guys up in the back. I throw these things in randomly. And the insert, you can also kind of push it down, and then it can be used as a divider. So I'm going to throw the flat items in the back. right? So this actually now have even more room. And what I do is, usually I carry this micro med kit with this either extra small or small Tom Bin Ghost Whale kit. This has my mini battery charging setup here. So this is a very small battery, good enough for maybe one charge of the iPhone. So if I'm worried that my phone runs out of juice, this is what I take. So I can put this now actually inside here quite well, and that still closes up. So basically 2 different pouches became one, and that goes into here. Another thing I do sometimes is I do not put this in, but I just drop my wallet in there because I carry those 3 items pretty much all the time anyway. So just to give you a little bit of a close-up of the actual bag itself, right? It has pulls on either end. Great zippers. You can also get this with Aqua Guard if you want to. You can customize the zipper pull color. This is the Bamboo VX on the outside and white VX on the inside. So I like a light color on the inside so that I can see what's in it. You can see the construction of the bag. It's just extremely well made. Everything is taped. And it has a nice structure to the bag itself. I'm going to show you an older generation. This is the one that was made for the Perfect Pack, kind of as a collab a couple years ago. This is the older style, so it is a little bit thicker, but the length is the regular Dopp Kit size. All right, so the idea is, ignoring the width for now, having these 2 bags, you can pretty much organize everything you need into these bags, pick your color, and you're going to have a beautiful set of well-organized carry items. So I can tell you that I am certainly tempted to replace all my many different pouches, including this good old IKEA one, with just a full set of dMadeBag pouches or Dopp Kits.